SmartrMail Marketing Automation Tool Review, Usage Experience. In this video, I'll be sharing my honest review of SmartrMail, a powerful email marketing automation tool designed for e-commerce businesses. SmartrMail stands out with its user-friendly interface, customizable automation flows, and AI-driven email content recommendations. It's a tool aimed at online stores, especially those using platforms like Shopify, BigCommerce, or WooCommerce, looking to streamline their email marketing efforts without needing advanced technical skills. First, let's talk about its features. SmartrMail makes email marketing easy by offering pre-built templates, segmenting customers based on behavior, and automating workflows such as welcome emails, abandoned cart reminders, and post-purchase sequences. What sets SmartrMail apart is its smart content feature, where it uses AI to suggest the most relevant products to include in each email based on past customer behavior, which is incredibly useful for increasing sales and engagement. The automation tools are intuitive, allowing you to create complex flows with just a few clicks. You can also segment your audience based on purchase history, browsing behavior, or engagement with previous emails, which helps you send targeted, personalized messages. This level of personalization is crucial for maximizing conversion rates, and SmartrMail makes it easy for anyone, even those with no prior marketing experience, to implement these strategies. Another strong point is its integration capabilities. SmartrMail syncs seamlessly with e-commerce platforms like Shopify and BigCommerce, as well as other tools like Zapier. This makes setting up and managing your email campaigns a breeze, without the need for manual data imports or complex configurations. On the analytics side, SmartrMail provides in-depth reports that track open rates, click-through rates, and sales, so you can optimize your campaigns over time. The A/B testing feature also helps you experiment with different email elements to improve your results further. Overall, SmartrMail is an excellent choice for e-commerce businesses looking for an easy-to-use yet powerful email marketing automation tool. Its AI-powered features, seamless integrations, and intuitive interface make it a great option for both beginners and experienced marketers. Whether you're just starting or scaling your email campaigns, SmartrMail provides the tools needed to drive growth and enhance customer engagement.